Damas y caballeros, ladies and gentlemen, my name is Joe J. Jr. and welcome to another super cool pomade review. Now, I know it's been a while since I've made one of these. In fact, if you look at my channel, it's been like about a month since I made a video. Of course, around the time I was going to be releasing this specific pomade review, there had been fires that broke out here in Oregon, and a lot of my orders had been delayed. And literally just around the same time that my pomades had arrived, my main computer that I use for video editing basically broke down, and I'm no pro at computers, so I was very hesitant on touching it. For the most part, it seems to be working alright at the moment, which is why I'm making this video. But I had already tried this product out before, and the video footage was unfortunately lost because I plugged in my phone, which I record this with my cell phone. I had plugged it into my MacBook, and the video's on the MacBook, but I have no idea how to use the software, and I literally cannot get it onto my main computer. So I apologize for the lack of uploads. I'm currently in a university right now, and a lot of my time is really like focused on my classes. So I really do apologize. Because I don't think I'm going to be able to keep uploading videos on a frequent, regular basis. But don't let that discourage you guys. If you guys have any suggestions on future content you guys would like to see, whether it's pomade reviews, Fright Fridays, or anything else, definitely let me know. I know it's been a while, but with my explanation out of the way, let's proceed. So today we're going to be doing Lockhart Hair Pomade Goone Grease. This one was requested to me by one of my subscribers. I think it was Edgar specifically. I believe this is the oil-based pomade. So I get these off Amazon, and what really annoys me is that sometimes the pomades are like beaten up, which really upsets me. This one was like the first one I had that wasn't that bad because it's just like a dent. The other pomade was just like, I think it was completely melted, which was weird, but I think it's solid because I kept it in like a cool place. So yeah, let's open this up. So it smells really sweet. It smells like candy sweet. The color is green, and of course, like I said, I've already tried this product out before, but the video footage was lost, and I know this video was requested, so I decided I might as well just redo it because in that time I tried it out. So as far as texture, it's very solid. I don't know if you guys can hear that. It's very solid. As far as getting the product out, it's got some resistance. I'm pretty sure this is the oil-based pomade, so you could still smell it. It's pretty sweet. For the most part, I think it's gonna take a little bit more than this to get it through my hair, but let's start applying. For me, my main concern is the sides primarily, because I had originally cut my hair. Well, I had my longer hair, but then I eventually cut it because it was just getting too long and I didn't really have time to like maintain it or anything. I cut it into a pompadour, which if you guys don't know what that is, it's basically just like long hair in the front, short hair in the back, and then you have to let your sides grow. But the sides, I'm not sure how it is so far. I'm thinking about letting my sides grow out a little bit more before I decide to cut it or anything. Gonna get a little bit more. But what do you guys think? Should I just cut the sides, or should I continue and see how I can get this pompadour to look in a more fuller, grown out style? For the most part, this seems to have like a really strong hold. I'm not gonna lie, I'm already feeling the grip and the resistance. So I'm gonna get that off of, I'm gonna get the product off of my hands and start on to the combing process. So how have you guys been so far? I know I've been pretty much busy with a lot of my academic stuff, and I have seen that some of you guys have been commenting down below like questions on like where to get certain pomades, or like my opinion, or sort of just commenting on my videos, and I really appreciate that, because since I am currently attending a university, I can't guarantee that I'll be able to upload videos daily anymore, because college students, if you've been in college, you probably get what I mean, but not too much money. You know, actually it looks like it's pretty much done, but just to play it safe, I'm gonna try combing it a bit more. It's got some good grip to it. When it comes to applying pomades, I always have my hair like damp, just because I don't like the resistance from dry hair. I think somebody had commented when I did my Shear Revival crystal lake, but I always do my hair damp. For the most part, this is actually providing a pretty good hold so far. You guys all know I pretty much like to do my slick back. This one actually is holding it down pretty well so far. I'm not like super picky about water-based or oil-based, but I know some people prefer one or the other. For me, I'm not a huge fan of like that crusty sensation that some pomades give you, which is why I like to use oil-based. But at the same time, the downside to it is that it just takes so much shampoo to get it out, which is like a big reason as to why I don't use it frequently. Like if I gotta go somewhere quickly, I'll probably just stick to a regular sort of just water-based, because I can get it out quick. For the most part, it seems done. And it's already starting to like settle down. So yeah, I think the next video I'm going to be doing is the O'Dowd's multi-purpose pomade. So if you guys want to see that one, definitely stay tuned. I'm going to get that one as soon as possible. Just letting you guys know and reminding you that if you are new, or if you are new to this channel, or if you've been a subscriber, you guys know I rate these on a scale of good, bad, and okay. So now that I've gone over the product, now that I've applied it, it's time to wait till the end of the day, and we're gonna see how well this held up. All right, see you guys. And we are back. So as you guys can tell from the background, it's pretty late right now. I think it's been a total of 8 hours since I applied the product, and as you guys can see, it's done pretty well. It's not overly greasy or overly shiny. I'd say it's just right. So if you guys are looking for an oil-based pomade that lasts a majority of your day, because again, it's only been 8 hours, but I have a feeling this would probably last a lot longer. But if you guys are looking for a good oil-based pomade that isn't overly shiny or will make your hair look too greasy, definitely check out Lockhart Goone Grease. I would definitely say that this is a good product. So anyways, hope you guys stay tuned and keep an eye out for my next video, where I will be reviewing the O'Dowd's multi-purpose pomade. Now, I hope you guys keep in mind that I am a college student, so I will not be able to maintain a very frequent upload schedule, but however, I will try to get out as many videos as I possibly can to you guys whenever possible, because I think my schedule has been pretty filled up, because I think we have midterms approaching, and tomorrow morning, I'm filming this on a Sunday night. Monday morning, I have to register for my classes for the next term. So if you guys have any suggestions or any questions, definitely let me know in the comment section down below. And this can be on this video, can be on any. I have notifications on my phone, so the second you guys ask me any questions, I get the notification, and I will try to get an answer to you guys as soon as I possibly can. Hope you guys will bear with me and will be patient. And I'll try to get those videos out to you guys as soon as possible. So if you guys have any suggestions on future products, any comparisons, definitely let me know, guys, and I will do whatever I can and get those videos out as soon as possible. Just don't be afraid to ask me or suggest anything, because all my videos don't have to be hair product based. You guys can just let me know what you guys want to see, and I'll see what I can do. Anyways, I hope you guys have an amazing day, because you guys are all amazing people, and I would say have an amazing day, but it's night for me currently. So I hope you guys have an amazing night or day, depending on where you're watching this and at what time. Anyways, my name is Joe J. Jr., and if you guys would like to make my day even more amazing and show some support to my channel, check out these videos right here and subscribe down here. And while you're at it, why not click the little bell icon to get notified of any new videos, and recommend this videos to or channels to somebody you know. Anyways, I hope you guys have an amazing day, because you guys are all amazing people. I'm out.